Hey guys, it's Ari here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day and a good week. It is Freaky Friday, November the 7th, 2025, 9:28, 2 minutes to go before the open. As you can see, we have a very weak day here, guys. The Three Sisters, down day, down day, down day. Bearish body after a down day, very big down day yesterday with bearish body on all three as well. After a down day the day before, and after a down day the day before. And the same thing here on the S&P, and something very similar here, not quite, on the Dow. So for now, the weakness continues, guys. This is my trading grid, the daily, the 30, and the 1-minute chart. Those are the three open ranges up there before New York. This is the Globex open, the Asian open, and the London open range, all clustered up here. And then in London, we sold down in a bit of a roller coaster ride, but then dropped heavily after that through Twilight Zone. That's the London Twilight Zone, of course, European Twilight Zone. And now we wait for the New York Open. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys. On the NASDAQ, we're looking at about 64 points. That's a pretty good size candle. And 14 and a quarter on the S&P. Good size candle as well. Back to the daily, guys. We have now tagged the 50 EMA for quite a long time on the S&P 500, trying to close that gap on the NASDAQ as well. 30-minute time frame, guys. We are in this turbo zone that goes back to kind of near the end of October. Let me show that to you very quickly here. See that there? Right there? That's October 23rd. The last time we traded in this area. First big candle down. Nothing for me to do. Just curious to see if these Americans want to continue the selling here, or if they're going to buy this thing up and say, no, no, no. These Europeans did too much here overnight, and we don't agree. Dropping down to the 30-second chart. Fast market conditions. Last couple of days. 3 days, really. Just bringing out a marker here, guys. This is not an order. Not an order. Measuring. I want to see where a 2-hour target would fall. See my crosshair over here? I'm actually not worried about this zone here. This market is very, very weak. All right, sell stop order for now, guys. Sell stop order. Here we go. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. All right, we're good. We are good. Short the snazzy right in here. Now it's the waiting game. So why am I short, guys? Well, free fall here, guys, on the daily. This market is pulling back. There is no sign of buying by the Americans, even after the sell down through London. Very weak in London. I traded London this morning. Had a nice win there. Selling weakness again. And we are back in the same boat here in a turbo zone. Free fall. Next level of support kind of really is here. We're basically tagging it now from a body standpoint. We got these wicks down here to play with. But this selling feels somewhat relentless. I wouldn't say panicky yet, but we could get there. And target 1 has been hit, guys. And so the 1-hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. Just going to delete this zone here, guys. Really is not an issue. I'll just extend this down because in free fall, that fairly minor zone just doesn't matter. It's too old and it goes back, I don't know, well over a month or so. Target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5-hour all or nothing trader has left the game as well. As I often explain to my private group, the break of an open range is not an entry signal on its own. This has nothing to do with the breaking of the open range in terms of the entry signal. The story all comes from the tide, the daily, and the waves, the 30, and then finally is the ripples. But I'm only allowed to, based on my model, to take shorts below the open range. And so I'm just waiting for permission. This is the filter, right? The permission filter. This is not an entry signal for me. And so hopefully that makes sense. All right, guys, we're back. It's 9:57 a.m., almost half an hour into the session. As you can see, we're pulling all the way back here towards my original entry after almost getting 2R. And so as we tagged that, of course, the 2R move stop to break even at 1R model will be stopped out at break even. And there it is, guys. So the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. The 1 hour all or nothing models fully profitable. The 1.5 hour all or nothing models fully profitable. And we almost had full profits on all models. And there it is, guys. A little bit of a roller coaster ride, but finally paid off. Tide, waves, ripples, all saying the same thing. Southbound train. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys. Hope you had an amazing week, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. I'll see you on Monday for Manic Monday and more fun and games. Take care. Be well.